Hello student, today again I will explain the first video of class 8 science chapter number 13. The topic is sound. Before I start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen and pencil to copy down the important topics as well as to draw the important diagram, right? And without wasting the time, I will start today's topic, that is the sound, okay? Sound. Chapter number 13 of class 8. This is the first video. Right. What is this sound? We all know the sound. Sound is a form of the energy which gives us for sensation of hearing. Right. That is the form of energy. Form of energy which gives sensation for hearing, right? Because of this sound we can hear we can identify animals or any other object, right? That's because of the sound, right? The sound is the form of energy which gives the sensation of hearing, right? Now what is the sound? Okay, sound is produced. It is produced due to the vibration, okay, of any object. Vibrations of any object, right? Sound is produced due to vibration of any object. Now, while speaking or singing time, you just touch your throat. What do you feel? You feel the vibration, right, in this portion. Yes, due to the vibrations of this our vocal cavity, it produces what sound, right? Or if you stuck, or if you beat anything, then you will feel some vibration, right? Because of the vibration only, it produces the sound, right? Then what is this vibration? Then this vibration is what? What it means vibration? Vibration or vibratory motion, or in another term, we also known as the vibratory motion. Right? The vibration or vibratory motion is that it is defined as to and fro motion. Right. How this we can say the to and fro motion, I will explain with the help of the flow chart. Right. Now, let's copy this one. Sound. What is sound? Sound is the form of energy which gives the sensation for hearing. Okay. And this sound is produced due to the vibration of any object. Right. Without the vibration, sound will not produce. Right. After the vibration only, sound will produce. Okay. And what is meant by vibration or vibratory motion? The vibration or vibratory motion is known as it is defined as the to and fro motion. Okay. To, going, fro means coming. Going and coming motion. Right. Now I will just explain what is the vibration. Okay. Now how this vibration goes. Now look here. See, you all know that this still scale, right? If you put a still scale in your table, right? And if you push in here, okay, or if you beat in here, then this scale will be moved like this, right? After that, it will be produce some sound like bang, bang, right? Or if you stretch the rubber band, okay, and you pull it and leave, okay, then the rubber band will be moved like this, right? And this to the moving of this rubber band, what it produces sound bang like this, okay. That means due to the vibration of this rubber band, it produces sound. Due to the vibration of this scale, it produces sound, right? Now I will show this how this sound produce. Okay, now I will show this what instrument, this is known as the turning fork. It is available in our lab also. Okay. After school reopen, I will explain what is this turning fork. Okay. This turning fork. Right. This turning fork in here, this is known as the pong. The turning fork is known as the pongs. P-R-O-N-G-S, pongs. Okay. When we beat this pong into a hard rubber, okay, and this pong will be start vibration. Okay, it will start vibration. Okay, because of that it produces sound brain like. Okay, and this is known as the vibration of the turning fork. Now, how can we explain this? Pong will be this what? Pong will be moving, that is vibrated. Okay. Now you take one. Okay, one stand. You take one stand. Okay, like this. You take one scale is available in the chemistry lab. Okay, for the volumetric analysis, and you take this. Okay, and you hang this one thread. Okay, and this thread, you know the thermocol. You cut the thermocol. Okay, little bit this side. Okay, and with the help of the pill, you tie with this thread. Okay, you keep like this. Okay, then you take one turning fork. Okay, and this turning fork you beat on the rubber pad. This turning fork you beat on this rubber pad. Okay, after that you bring this turning fork. You bring this turning fork. You bring this turning fork near to this thermocol. Then after beating, you bring the turning fork near to this thermocol. Then we all know that this turning fork will start vibration. Right? This turning fork will start vibration. And because of without touching this thermocol, then what will happen? The thermocol will be moved like this. The thermocol will be moved like this. Right? The thermocol will be moved like this. It means, it shows that what? This turning fork will start vibration. Okay, this is very simple experiment. Okay, without touching this thermocol, this bring this turning fork after beating near to this thermocol. What will happen? The thermocol will start moving. Right, and from this experiment we can say that the sound is produced due to the vibrations of any object. Okay, this is the experimental point of view. Okay. What is this turning fork? The turning fork is turning fork. Okay, turning fork. F-O-R-K. It is a U-shape. It is a U-shape steel fork. Steel fork produce sound, okay, or provided with a steel handle. Okay, provided with a handle, provided with a handle, and which produce the sound after vibrations. Okay, and which produce sound. No need to write. Okay, is there this what turning fork is? What turning fork is? What turning fork is the U-shaped steel fork. Okay, this is the U-shaped steel fork. Now this is a pong. Okay, and we have this what is still this what handles. Okay, this is known as the turning fork. Okay, finish now. And we all know that what is the oscillation and oscillatory motion. Now I will again explain about the oscillation and oscillatory motion. You already learned in the class 7th about the oscillation and oscillatory motion. Right? Now I will draw this one. I will draw this is the pendulum. Right? This is the A portion. Okay? Now this is the B portion, and this is the C portion. Okay, when we this what bring this what both of the what, this is known as what, pendulum. Okay, when we bring this bob of the pendulum to the B portion, okay, that means it's B portion, and this is known as the what, 2. Okay, then we release, this is known as the flow, right? And this from A to, again it will travel to the C, this is 2, and from C to it will again come back to the flow, right? This is the what, oscillation. Okay, then this is the oscillation of the simple pendulum. Figure simple pendulum. Okay, it shows the oscillation of the simple pendulum. Okay, now look here, this is simple pendulum. Okay, this is the bob of the simple pendulum. When we this brings, okay, up to B portion, that is known as the 2. After releasing from this one B, it will go to the A, that is known as 4. From the A, it will go to the C, that is the 2, and come back to the this one A portion, this is known as the 4. That this movement of this what simple pendulum from this what A to B, right? Then from B to A, and from A to C, and then from C to this what A, and this whole is known as the oscillatory motion. Okay, now what is meant by oscillation or oscillatory motion, I will explain to you. Okay, the 2 and 4 motion of the simple pendulum, the 2 and 4 motion of the simple pendulum about its mean position. That means starting from the A and at last come back to the A portion, right? And this is known as the about its mean position. Okay, it's called what, oscillation. Okay, and this movement of this what simple pendulum, okay, about its mean position is known as the oscillatory motion. Okay, then the movement of the bob of simple pendulum about its mean position is called oscillatory motion. Okay, we all know that motion means what, the movement of the any substance, that is known as the this motion, right? That is the movement of the bob, this is known as the bob. Okay, the movement of this bob, okay, about its mean position, okay, is known as the oscillatory motion. Okay, please watch this video carefully. If you have any doubt or any confusion, let me know. Okay, and please draw this diagram carefully. If you have any confusion for drawing the diagram, please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubt. Okay, and once again I request you that please watch this video till end. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.